What's up, guys? Welcome back for another video and review into Huck's World. And yes, people, it is Saturday. It is time to get out to catch some sun, take care of business, enjoy family and friends. And if you have to, people, party like it's 1999. But remember, most of all, be safe. All right, you all, we got DW in the building, and he's bringing a fresh look, a fresh design, and a unique look in the watch face. DW has really been doing his thing. He's been stepping outside of the box, getting really creative with these watch faces for the Gear S3, the Gear Sport, and for the Gear S2. So let's take a look at it, you all. Now, the name of the watch face is called DW69 Carbon. In the AOD mode, you're going to get a similar look as if the watch face was on. And when it's on, I like this funky clock. I love the look. I love the layout and where it's placed. Also, you get the best of both worlds because you get digital time down at the bottom. You're going to get your heart rate, battery info, day of the week, your date rather, and you're going to also get the month. And you get what day of the week it is, highlighted to let you know exactly what day it is. And of course, what's important to most people, you're going to get your step status info. Now, I love the clock, right? Check this out. If I double tap, I can customize the color. Right, you get like 4 in all, but if you keep tapping, it changes the time theme, and I'm loving the look. So depending on how you feel that day, that week, you can change it, and you get 3 different themes in all. And also, you can change the color as well. Now, I'm loving this funky look right here, so I'm going to leave it right here with this color. But yes, it is in an active, as you can see. I can go in and get my heart rate status, and I tap here. I can get my settings, tweak my watch however I see fit. And also, I can double tap right here, and I can change the color theme also to 4 different colors as well. If I could tap on it correctly, it's kind of hard from behind the camera. But yes, you can customize it, the time, the same thing. And if I tap on the AM stamp, I can set an alarm. And I can also customize the seconds as well. I'm telling you, my man outdid himself with this one. And you can get your step status info. We know that is important to you. So DW gave you exactly what you needed. He also brought about a fresh look, a fresh design with this watch face. All right, you all, hit me in the comment section down below. You know, I want to know your thoughts on this watch face. And if you like the video, make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to the channel. And I will see you all again at the next video. Enjoy your weekend.